In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove dust and small spots from an image quickly and easily in Photoshop. Now, as you can see, we have this image. And there's some visible dust and small marks here that we need to clean up. Let's fix it step by step. First, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. This way, we're working non-destructively and keeping the original image safe. Now go to the Filter menu, then Noise, and choose Dust and Scratches. Here, you'll see two sliders, Radius and Threshold. Adjust the radius to blur out the dust spots. Then also adjust the threshold slightly to bring back the image detail. Play around with these settings until you get a clean result, then click OK. Next, hold the Alt key and click on the Add Layer Mask icon. This inverts the mask and hides the entire image, so we can now paint it only where needed. Select the brush tool and adjust the size and hardness according to your image. Now, gently paint over the dusty areas, and you'll see that all the dust spots disappear instantly while keeping the rest of the image sharp and untouched. Now, if you notice some color inconsistencies in the cleaned areas, here's how to fix them. Create a new layer, select the brush tool, and pick a color from the clean part of the image. Then, change the blending mode of this layer to color. Now, simply paint over the areas that need color correction, and this will restore the natural tone perfectly. And that's it. We've cleaned up the image completely, removing dust, fixing color, and keeping all the details intact. It's a fast, professional technique that works great for old photos, scanned images, or product shots.